Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix WhatsApp video messages not working. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to send WhatsApp video messages, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. If it is not working properly, then you just need to enable the flight mode and disable it again. You can see the aeroplane mode. Just enable this one and disable it. After doing this, check the video file size, because on WhatsApp the video file size should be last up to 16 MB. If it is more than 16 MB, the file will be not sent. If the video message is under 16 MB, then you have to update your WhatsApp. Go to the Play Store, then type here WhatsApp. If there is any update available, then just tap on update, then go back, go to the settings, scroll down. Here you need to find apps. Just click on the apps, tap on see all apps. Here you need to find WhatsApp. Just tap on WhatsApp. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache. Once tap on clear cache, then go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. After trying all this, still you are facing the issue, then you need to check whether WhatsApp server is down or it is working fine. For that, you just need to open your Chrome browser and go to the down detector website and check the WhatsApp server status. Hope sometimes WhatsApp server may be down, so you are unable to send the WhatsApp video messages. So that's it guys. So in this way you can fix WhatsApp video messages not working.